Welcome to Car Cloud. Today, we're taking a closer look at the highly anticipated new 2027 MiG-29. The MiG-29 has remained one of the world's most recognizable multi-role fighter aircraft, admired for its agility, powerful twin-engine performance, and proven operational versatility. As modernization programs continue into 2027, upgraded variants of the MiG-29 are expected to feature improved avionics, enhanced mission systems, and greater operational efficiency while preserving the aircraft's well-established combat capabilities. Designed for air defense, interception, and multi-role combat missions, the 2027 MiG-29 is expected to remain a capable platform for operators seeking an effective balance of performance, maneuverability, and mission flexibility. So, let's dive in. Design and airframe. From the very first glance, the 2027 MiG-29 continues to display a compact yet highly aggressive fighter aircraft design. Its aerodynamic blended fuselage, swept wings, twin-engine layout, and twin vertical stabilizers contribute to excellent maneuverability and high-speed performance. Ongoing modernization efforts are expected to include refined structural components, improved composite materials, enhanced durability, and upgraded maintenance features that increase operational readiness while preserving the aircraft's iconic appearance. Every refinement is anticipated to strengthen both performance and long-term service reliability. Performance and power plant. Powering the 2027 MiG-29 are its twin turbofan engines, engineered to deliver strong thrust, rapid acceleration, and outstanding agility. Future upgrades are expected to improve engine efficiency, reliability, fuel management, and maintenance intervals while maintaining the aircraft's impressive performance across a wide range of flight conditions. Combined with advanced flight control systems, the MiG-29 is expected to continue offering exceptional maneuverability, responsive handling, and confident high-speed operation. These qualities remain essential for demanding interception and air combat missions. Technology and mission systems. The 2027 MiG-29 is expected to benefit from continued improvements in onboard electronics and mission capabilities. Potential upgrades may include enhanced radar systems, modern digital cockpit displays, improved electronic warfare equipment, upgraded mission computers, secure communication systems, advanced navigation technology, and expanded sensor integration to improve situational awareness. These technological advancements are expected to increase mission effectiveness while supporting a broader range of operational requirements in modern air combat environments. Capability and operational flexibility. The MiG-29 has been developed to perform a wide variety of combat missions with confidence. Its operational roles include air defense, interception, escort missions, defensive patrols, and multi-role operations depending on the configuration employed by individual operators. Ongoing modernization efforts are expected to further improve mission flexibility, operational reliability, and overall service efficiency. Its combination of agility, versatility, and dependable performance continues to make the MiG-29 a valuable aircraft for air forces that operate upgraded variants. Conclusion. The new 2027 MiG-29 represents the continued evolution of one of the world's most respected multi-role fighter aircraft. With its highly maneuverable airframe, refined twin-engine performance, upgraded avionics, and enhanced operational capabilities, it is expected to remain an effective platform for operators extending the service life of this proven fighter. Whether you're interested in military aviation or following the latest aerospace developments, the evolving 2027 MiG-29 demonstrates how continuous modernization can keep a legendary fighter relevant in today's rapidly changing operational environment. Stay connected with Car Cloud for the latest military aviation updates, aircraft reviews, technology insights, and everything shaping the future of aerospace innovation.